today's live session. Myself Shikha Gupta. I am so excited to welcome you all, whether you have connected with us on Facebook or Instagram. Thank you so much for tuning in. So today we are diving into creating a fun, creative and super trendy art form called as mosaic art. So I'll be teaching you step-by-step process of how to create a mosaic art on Tumblr, which is not only beautiful but completely usable in your daily routine life. So if you are a person who loves to add colors, sparkle and personality to your artwork, who adds volume, this life is gonna be a treat to you. So thank you for the people who have already bought the kits. What you can do is you can grab the materials, you can start crafting it along with me. And for the people who do not have the kit, you can sit back, relax and observe the process completely. And once the life is completed, you can order your own mosaic art on Tumblr. So you can just observe and then create your beautiful mosaic art tumblers at your place. So without wasting any further minute, let me just pan my cameras down on the workplace and I'll start by showing you the materials that we would be needing to create this beautiful artwork. Okay? So let's start with the basic stuff. That is, when we talk about mosaic, the very important and basic things that we need are these chips. These are glass coated colorful chips. So I have like 7 colors with me. You can add in more colors or maybe you can limit your colors as well. It completely depends on you. This is one of the things. Then the other thing that we would be needing is a glue. Glue can be of any brand. So if you are working peacefully, wherein you have time to create your artwork, so you can make use of any normal glue and let it set it to dry completely and then do your further work. Apart from that, we need is wall putty. This is powder based white wall putty. So we need chips, we need glue and then we need powder based wall putty. Okay, so let's start the very first process, that is by grabbing a glass tumbler. Okay, now over here what I have done is I have already covered this much area of my tumbler. And why is that? Because the process of creating a mosaic art is we initially paste the chips in this very manner and then we apply the powder, that is the grout that we would be creating by mixing water and glue in our putty. Okay, so while applying that putty, this chips needs to be fixed with the glass very firmly. If they are not dried completely, so what may happen is the moment when I'll be applying the putty on the chips, that is on my glass surface, it may come off. Okay, so I do not want that while showing the process to you. So I have already pasted this area of my glass and I'll be showing you on this area how to place the chips on the glass. Okay, so what I am gonna do is I'll place my glass. I'll just grab a glue. I will continue the rim that has been created before. So what I have to do is I just have to apply the glue and I have to pick that specific chip and then simply paste it. Now while pasting the chips, you have to make sure that you try to maintain distance between the chips so that it gets the space for putty to be filled in. So while doing the process, if you get any queries, please feel free to ask. Just put those questions down the comments so that I can answer you. Be very slow while doing this process, and while applying the glue as well, make sure that you apply a limited amount of glue so that your chips don't slide away from your glass surface, because it's in a curvaceous format, right? So excessive amount of glue may slide away the chips from the glass. So apply the required amount of glue. So my orange rim is completed. Now I am gonna start with the red one. While pasting the chips, you make sure that the size of the chips are same and not uneven, so that you get a clear finish while creating the artwork. As you all can see, what I'm doing is I'm just applying a drop of the glue on my glass surface and then just placing my chip from above. While pasting each and every rim, just maintain the gap between the chips, that is right beside the chip and below and above the chip. So my light blue is also completed. Now I'll be moving forward with the green one. While covering the entire glass, what you can do is, the way I am holding my glass, you can just cover like the very front side, the very front portion of the glass, complete the entire rim, wait for it to dry, and once it dries off completely, then you may turn the glass and then paste the other side of the chips so that it is comfortable and it dries properly, and then you can do your putty work. My light green color rim is also completed. Now I'll be putting the very last rim of my tumbler, that is the dark blue shade. Simply apply a drop of glue and then paste a single glass chip. Choose the size of the chip as per the size that is available. Okay, so this is how it would look like once you complete pasting the chips to your entire tumbler. Okay, now the very next step is that you have to wait until it dries completely. Okay, so while working with the putty, I won't be working on this side, I'll be showing you on the opposite side where the chips are completely dried off. Okay, so I'll keep this aside and I'll show you how the putty work is to be done, how the paste is to be prepared. Okay, so I have taken a bowl. What I will do is I'll take some amount of wall putty. In this wall putty, I'll be mixing good amount of glue. The reason for pouring glue in putty paste is that it joins the paste. It acts like a binder to the paste. Once this is done, you have to add a bit of water. Now while adding water, make sure that you use very less amount of water. अगर आपको लगेगा तो आप फिर से ऊपर से और पानी डालना, लेकिन इनिशियली स्टेज पे आपने ज्यादा पानी नहीं डालना है. Because if you do that, your paste would be very thin and that we do not want. And then again वो पेस्ट को थिक करने के लिए आपको और पुट्टी डालना पड़ेगा. That is like again wastage of material. So add limited amount of water, or rather add it slowly.
Ishita is asking, what can I use this tumbler for? What can I use this tumbler for?
This tumbler is multi-use. Maybe you can put some chocolates or some artificial plants, or maybe you can plant as well, anything that you want, or maybe you can just keep it as a decor. Okay, while preparing this paste, as you can see, I have a spatula, and when I am mixing this paste with water, there are n amount of granules which are creating. So I have to make sure that I flatten it and I break those granules properly. Okay, so this is how you have to do. You just have to spread it with help of your spatula, so that all the granules which are formed gets separated and gets mixed well with the paste. And while preparing this putty, you have to make sure that it should be not more thin than this. Okay, if you create it more thin than this texture which you are to be seen on the screen, it would be difficult for you to settle this paste on your tumbler and then wipe it off. So this amount of thickness of the putty is good. Okay, the thickness of the paste is done, but then again I'm just moving my spatula nicely and firmly so that all the possible air pockets or air bubbles that may be formed in my putty breaks apart nicely. Okay, and prepare a very less amount of wall putty, because you would not be needing that much amount of putty while covering your tumbler. So unnecessarily do not prepare too much of paste. Alright, this is done. The more amount of glue you add in your putty, the more nice it is. It will keep your paste impact. Okay, now this is done nicely. Okay, now with help of my spatula itself, I'll be applying the paste on my tumbler. Okay, so I'm just cross checking whether my chips are completely pasted or not. when you will be starting your work. So आपको भी एक बार अच्छे से क्रॉस चेक करना है कि अगर आपके चिप्स आपके सरफेस पे हिल रहे हो या नहीं. ओके, once you get the confirmation ki हाँ this is completely pasted, then you can start filling your paste on the surface. Okay, so this patch is completely dry. Okay, so what I'll do is now I'll take some amount of paste on my tumbler. I have taken some amount of paste on my spatula and I just have to apply it in this very manner. You can remove the excess amount of paste and then again slide your spatula in this way so that each and every gap gets filled nicely and neatly. So while moving your spatula, you have to make sure that you move it in a horizontal way and then vertical way.
What is the easiest type of design to start with on tumbler?
If you talk about using the easiest design, this is what I would suggest you, that you simply create and paste the tiles layer by layer.
Janvi wants to know where can she get the materials which we are using today.
Hi Janvi, you just please be tuned. Once our live session is completed, I'll be showing you the website from where you can buy this material and you can create this beautiful art form. You'll get each and every material that is to be used in creating this artwork right in that kit. Okay, this is what you have to do, and the corners, that is the bottom and the top of your glass, what you can do is, once the excess amount of area is completed filling in, with help of your fingers you can take some amount of grout and you can simply move your hand, your fingers in this very manner.
How do we keep the pieces from sliding off a curved surface like tumbler?
The way I said, what you can do is, this is the front portion of my glass, right? So you can start by pasting these layers right below each other. So you may complete the front portion first, let it dry properly, and then you can turn it off and then work on the other side once the previous portion is dried completely.
What is the best medium to stick the tiles, like glue or resin? What should we use?
The best is that you can use wall putty and then mix glue in it. If you pour resin, so it would cover the chips as well. The resin would cover the chips, it would give a coat and it would look a bit artificial. So it is better if you make use of putty and glue. It will give you the authentic mosaic art look. Latika is asking, can I mix materials like glass and ceramic in one design? Yeah, you can do that, but then what you will have to make sure is ki, while applying the paste, as you all can see, it is easy for me because of the same height and width my chips are, right? If I am making use of ceramic or glass or maybe any other material, there may be higher chances कि उसका shape, उसका size, उसका width एक दूसरे से अलग होगा, तो मुझे पुट्टी भरने के टाइम पे प्रॉब्लम आएगा. तो एक वो चीज़ आपको ध्यान में रखनी है. अगर वो बराबर है तो yes, you can make use of different materials.
Ishita is asking, I want to learn this offline. Is an offline workshop available?
Yes, hi Ishita, offline and online both workshops are available with us. And material is included, so you don't have to bring anything. You just have to come and then create your beautiful artwork and then take it with you.
Sama is asking, how do you plan your mosaic pattern before starting?
While creating the artwork, what you can do is you can plan whether you want a symmetric design or asymmetric. So if you are planning to create asymmetry, so you can just lay out a sketch before and then you can paste your chips according to that and then start your work. And if not, if it is something like this, then you can simply start by creating the rims and complete your artwork.
How long does it take to dry?
Good 24 hours. It is better if you keep it overnight.
Nahid wants to know, do you take custom orders?
Yes, Nahid, we take customized orders as well. So if you have a design or a pattern or a motif that you want to create of your choice, even those designs are welcomed over here. We will create it with you. Now to clean the tile, what I have done is I've taken some amount of water on my cloth and I just have to move it in a circular motion so that my tiles get cleaned properly. I won't be completing the entire glass because, as I said, it is very important for these chips to be dried properly, right? Towards one side, I have just pasted the chips right now, so it is not completely dry. So if I try to put putty while the chip is still wet, it may peel off. So it is better we don't do that. So I'll be just completing this side and showing it to you. So this is what you have to do.
Can we use combination of glass and ceramic in one design?
Yes, we can make use of glass and ceramic. As I said earlier, it is just that you have to make sure कि आप कुछ भी मटेरियल लो उसका साइज सेम होना चाहिए, उसका विड्थ और हाइट सेम होना चाहिए, सो दैट आपको पुट्टी का काम करने के लिए इजी पड़े. Okay, so this is done. You can just take a tissue and then just clean the top portion of the glass so it gets the shine the way we require, and that's it. That is the way of creating a mosaic art on a tumbler. This is how it should look like. And once you complete this process on your entire tumbler properly, this is how it will look. Yeah. So this was one of the way of creating a mosaic art on a tumbler. We have more such designs like this. So I'll be showing you. Okay, now when I talk about creating a mosaic art, like using this colorful glass coated chips is like one way of creating it. The other thing that you can do is one such same design, same chips that can be used. I have one more product over here. So this is a bowl. We have used the same technique of pasting the chips, that is covering it by layer and then pasting the grout in it. This is one of the example. The other way that you can create a mosaic art is this. So over here we have made use of actual ceramic tiles. We have cut it into pieces and then we have pasted it. So this is one of the type that can be used for creating a mosaic art. So the previous one was colorful glass coated tiles. This is ceramic tiles, and the other is wherein you can make use of mirrors. So these are the three ways that you can create your mosaic art. That is one glass coated chips, the other is ceramic tile, and one is this, that is making use of mirrors. So all these types of mosaic art we teach over here. You can come and enjoy and create this beautiful artworks. Someone asked me that if you have to create this artwork, from where you can buy it, right? So I'll be showing you. Can you please pan the camera on the surface? So yeah. The way I said, if you have to create this beautiful artwork at your place, you can buy the kit from diy.penkraft.in. The spelling for Penkraft is PENKRAFT.IN. In this kit, you will get each and every material that is required to create this artwork. You don't have to go anywhere to buy any material. And apart from that, you also get a free video tutorial from which you can observe and create your beautiful artwork. In case if you don't want to create this artwork, you want to directly gift it to your loved ones, you can reach us on gifts.penkraft.in, that is gift.penkraft.in, or you can connect with us on the number that is 9136024968. And if you have to interact with us, come over here and create these beautiful artworks in a workshop. You can connect with us on the number that is 73040888833. I'll repeat the number again, that is 73040888833. You can also take a screenshot of the paper and you can connect with us on the number for any other further queries you may be having. Okay, so that was it in our today's live session. I'll be connecting with you, I'll be seeing you on 16th of August for our another most interesting Facebook and Insta live. That would be on the topic Meenakari art. We would be seeing how to create Meenakari art on a chaurang. So I hope to see you all on that day as well. That is on 16th of August 2025. So thank you so much for connecting with us. Bye bye.